How to reinstall Bluetooth driver in Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily reinstall your Bluetooth driver on Windows 10 or 11. If you're having issues with your Bluetooth connections, this quick guide will help you get it back up and running in no time. First, let's open the device manager. Simply right click on the start menu and select device manager from the list. Once you're in the device manager, look for the Bluetooth section. Expand it to see your Bluetooth devices. Now, find your Bluetooth device, right click on it and select uninstall. This will remove the driver from your system. After uninstalling, we need to reinstall the driver. Go to the top of the menu and click on Action. Then you need to select for hardware changes. This will refresh the drivers automatically. Finally, make sure to restart your computer. This will ensure that your Bluetooth is working properly again. And that's it. Your Bluetooth should be back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Join our channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.